Hello everyone, welcome to Cathoven IELTS, your AI language tutor, a tutor that actually helps you to raise your IELTS score in just 1 month. In the next few minutes, I will show you how the platform works and the best way to use it to prepare for your IELTS exam. Here comes the dashboard. You can ask Catbot any questions, whether it is general, IELTS basic, for example, if you are new to IELTS study, how to improve writing, how to improve speaking, and you can also ask some questions about our platform, like my rating, how is the score calculated. If you scroll down, you are able to start your practice here or just click the writing and speaking on the sidebar. Also, you will be able to check your previous reports and your progress review to see how far you have come with your daily practice with Cathoven. All right, let's start with writing practice. You can choose academic or general training, depends on your exam. We update our question bank every month, so you will always get the latest IELTS questions on our platform. For task 1 academic, we cover different types like bar chart, line graph, maps, pie chart. And for task 1 general, you will find formal, informal, semi-formal. And for task 2, essays are grouped into discussion, double questions, opinion. So you will always be able to have targeted practice. So let's try academic task 1 with the line graph. Retake the milk consumption. Here you can upload your handwritten work for OCR or type directly in the answer box. If you get stuck, here comes our catbot. It can guide you with useful vocabulary, answer outlines. Let's try with the useful vocabulary. You may have already started to feel why we are different. We only give you 5 words at the beginning, just enough to get you started. We understand your struggle, and we will never overwhelm you with a list of 100 words that makes you quit after just 1 second. Now you can just submit your writing and you will get your instant feedback. Click my report and you can see all of your history here. Now let's click one of my writing tasks. We provide examiner level accurate scoring, and each rubric is broken down into more detailed categories. This way, you know exactly what you need to improve instead of just getting vague comments like you need to improve your grammar, you need to improve your task response. What does that even mean? For example, in lexical resources, we break them down into range of vocabulary, spelling, and accuracy. Under the detailed vocabulary feedback, you will see your CEFR level and the percentage breakdown of your word choices. You can see how many high-level words you used and how many basic words measured by CEFR. And then we highlighted a few targeted fixes that can move you to band 6 or higher. Fix this to score 6. Fix this to score 6. Let's see an example. The use of maybe is informal and imprecise for an IELTS academic essay. Maybe is typically used in spoken English or informal, so perhaps or possibly should be used instead, and they convey the same meaning but in more suitable tone. Another example for task achievement, we categorize the feedback to overview, information accuracy, key features, and data support. If you still do not understand why we give certain feedback, no problem, come back to our catbot. Ask him, find my key mistakes, explain my score, rewrite for a higher band. So it's like a real tutor with more patience and know where you are and help you step by step to go to the next level. As for speaking, we also have part 1, 2, 3 questions. You can choose the popular ones or the latest questions. As we said that we will update the question bank monthly. Let's choose some part 1 questions like the perfume. You can record your answer as if speaking to a real examiner. It's my speaking report. So each rubric is broken down into detail. For example, pronunciation is split into intonation and stress, clarity, chunking, and rhythm. Let's see the detailed report. Pronunciation. You can listen back.
Yes, I do. I other people as it at some.
You can listen back to your own answer so you know exactly where you need improvement. We even give you a percentage breakdown of what areas to focus on. For vocabulary, we suggest small but powerful upgrades. For example, replacing really with truly, genuinely, indeed. Again, we give you just enough feedback to move you to the next level, never a wall of corrections. So no matter where you start, we've got you covered. Now go raise your score. Bye-bye.